definitely worth it. Very much worth it. Yay!
We almost arrived at the Sekumpul Waterfall. So this is the stairs all the way down to the spot of the waterfall, the Sekumpul Waterfall. Well, personally, it will be easy to get down, but that will be a problem. We can up back again to that side. Okay. Now we already arrived at the bottom, at the spot of the waterfall. As you can see on my back, that is the Sekumpul Waterfall, the twin waterfall, the best waterfall in Bali. So we're back again, and then beside that Grombong waterfall that's located at Sekumpul Waterfall, there's another waterfall called PG Waterfall. It will be the same place nearby Grombong waterfall, but we have to walk like 10 minutes to it to another waterfall. So Harriet, what do you think? We've been drive like 2 hours to come to this place. Is it worth something like this for 2 hours, right?
Yes, definitely worth it. Very much worth it. Yay!
What do you think, Harriet? Are you tired?
I'm very tired. My legs are killing me right now. But I'm very
I can feel my
satisfied.
leg. Yeah, we deserve to see something like this.
Yes, this is true beauty.
I need to ride this bike when we get back to the parking area. The red one. Let's go Scoopy! Scoopy, Scoopy!